Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you ever face a frustrating white screen of death on your WordPress website, you are not alone. In today's video, I will show you some quick and easy steps to fix it and get your site back up and running. Segment 1. What is the white screen of death? It is basically when your WordPress site loads and completely blank page, unusually without any error message. This can happen on the front end, back end, or both. It's often due to memory limit, exhaustion, a plugin or theme conflict, or even a corrupted file. One of the most common causes of the white screen of death is running out of memory. To fix it, we need to increase the PHP memory limit. First, we need to open cpanel. I am already here. Then go to File Manager, followed by php_html. Find wp-config.php file. Now we have to edit it. Let's open it. We need to locate the WP memory file limit. We can see here that our memory limit is set to 64 MB. So let's change it to 128 MB. Then save the file. Refresh your WordPress site to see if the issue is resolved. Disabling plugins. If increasing the memory limit did not help, the next step is to check for plugin conflict. You will need to disable all your plugins and see if that resolves the issue. First, we need to open cpanel. I am already here. Then go to File Manager. Then public_html. Then WP content. Here we can see the plugins folder. We need to rename it. I will rename it to plugin_alt. Refresh your WordPress site to see if the issue is resolved. Switching to a default theme. If disabling plugins did not work, the issue might be with your theme. To check this, we'll need to switch to a default WordPress theme like 2023. First, we need to open cpanel. I am already here. Then go to File Manager. Followed by public_html. Then WP content. Here we can see that theme folder, so let's open it. Next, find your active theme. We can see multiple themes here. My theme name is Woodmart. So I will rename it to Woodmart_alt. Finally, refresh your WordPress site to see if the issue is resolved. Enabling debug mode. If none of the previous solutions work, it's time to debug a little deeper by enabling WordPress debug mode. This will help us identify any PHP error and that might be causing the white screen of death. First, we need to open cpanel. I'm already here. Then go to the File Manager. Then public_html. Then locate the wconfig.php file. Edit the file. We need to add some code here, which I will include in the description. I have added some code, so now save the file. Finally, refresh your WordPress site to see if the issue is resolved. Restoring from backup. If all else fails, so your best option is to restore your site from a recent backup. Most reputable hosting providers offer a backup features, and that lets you visually revert your site to a previous working state. First, we need to open cPanel. I am already here. Then find Backup 5. Open Full Backups. Here we will see a list of available backups. Highlights the most recent one before the issue occurred. Select a backup from before the issue started. It is important to choose the most recent backup where your site was working correctly. Click the Restore button. Your hosting provider will take care of the rest, bringing your site back to the previous state. Once the restore is complete, check your site to ensure it is up and running without issues. That's all. Those are some of the most effective ways to fix the WordPress white screen update. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up. So don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.